Here we are, guys, with the Mitsubishi 2 litre V6 FTO. I think it's a GR model, and my project. Generally see it's body works alright, not a bad set of rims. Let's have a nosy on inside. Pretty smart interior, you know. I don't think there's much really wrong with the interior. It needs a bit of a clean, you know. Let's start it up. Starts and sounds pretty good. Give it a few revs. See, starts and runs pretty well. The only problem you can see is a little bit of a scuff down there. That's a straightforward fit. And the engine looks pretty good. Ticks over nicely. Should be on the road in no time. Get some more money and we'll do an next update.